because the last time I did a curly hair routine on my YouTube channel, I didn't have any hair. I mean, hey y'all, what's up? My name is Kyrah. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in as always. I love y'all so much. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe first of all. Definitely come hang out with the fam because we got a lot more videos rolling and you won't want to miss it. If you guys have already been subscribed to my channel, then thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I wanted to give you guys my updated curly hair routine. The last time that I did a curly hair routine on my channel, my hair was long and now I don't have no hair. I mean, of course I have hair, obviously, right? But like, my hair is much shorter now, so the way that I style my hair is completely different. And I was looking through my YouTube channel the other day, just like realizing that I really have not done a curly hair routine in such a long time. So yeah, I wanted to hop on here and show you guys exactly what I do and how I style my TWA. If you want to see more videos with me doing my hair and stuff like that, make sure that you guys give this video a big thumbs up so that I can definitely know to keep creating this type of content for you guys, and it helps my videos out a lot. So I cut my hair probably about, what month is this? August. I cut my hair in like June. Yeah, I cut my hair in like June, and honestly, it's been a little bit of a struggle. It's been a little bit of a learning curve trying to figure out how to style the curls. I absolutely love my shortcut. It's so funny because I really just cut my hair because it was damaged. If you guys haven't seen the video of me talking about my big chop, I'll leave that video up here somewhere for you guys. But yeah, honestly, I just cut my hair because it was damaged and I was sick and tired of looking at it. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired, okay? Honestly, I really had no plan. My thought process was like, okay, I'm gonna cut my hair off, and since it's gonna be short, I could literally wash it and go. And it's like, actually, sis, no. So that has been a little bit of a learning curve, just trying to figure out how to style my hair. But I've got it down pat. I got it down to a science. And honestly, my routine is super, super simple. I don't do too much because I don't have time for it. I can't be bothered with it. Hence why I cut my hair. Also, like with a short haircut, at least in my experience anyway, with a short haircut, you kind of got to do your hair, not every day, but like you got to do your hair much more frequently than you would if your hair was long, because I can't just put my hair up in a pineapple and go to sleep and wear it like that for like 4 days or however long it might be. When I wear a bonnet at night, my hair is usually like flattened on the sides or in the back or whatever the case may be. So yeah, it has definitely been a learning curve trying to figure out how to get this hairstyle popping and whatnot, but I'm definitely getting the hang of it now, and my routine is super, super simple. I put my hair in a part to the side because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more edgy and a little bit more cute. I don't have any earrings in, y'all, because I can't find my earrings, so please don't come for me. But look, I really love the way that it turned out. As you can see, like, it has a lot of definition and it looks really pretty. On the first day, my hair is super small. Right now, my hair is probably only like, maybe, I'll say my hair is like a cute 75-80% dry. I was trying to wait for my hair to dry the whole way, but I really wanted to get this video up for y'all. And one thing I don't have time for is be sitting around waiting for my hair to dry, okay? Yeah, so I really wanted to show you guys this. My hair type, for those of you who are curious, I really don't keep up with hair types that much, but for those of you who are curious, my hair probably runs on like a 3B, 3C side, especially since I cut it and now the curls are just popping and they just got all this opportunity to pop and grow and thrive. I would definitely say closer to a 3C. It's so crazy to see how different your curl pattern looks when there's no dead weight hanging on to it. So, but yeah, honestly, that's everything. How I style my hair is really not that complicated. As you guys will see in the video, there's really not that much to it. So I think we should just get right into the video. All right, y'all, so I just got out of the shower and I'm about to style my hair now. I used the Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go Conditioner from Shea Moisture. So I use this as a leave-in in the shower because it says it's supposed to make my wash and go last. And I don't know, when I put it in my hair, it makes it feel good, so whatever. Honestly, my short hair routine really is not that extensive because I just be putting products in it and trying to figure it out. So once I get out of the shower, I take the Texture ID Styling Cream, which has cocoa butter and shea butter in it. And this is supposed to provide medium hold and retain moisture, elasticity, all that. So yeah, I take a little bit of this Texture ID Styling Cream and I just put it, and I put it all over my head. And honestly, there is no like crazy direction with this or amount. I just put it in my hair and then I see how my hair is feeling. So I'm literally about to just put this all throughout my hair. This part of my hair right here is longer than the front because the front was where the most damage was at, so it had to go. I wasn't beat. But so I'm just taking a little bit more I'm just rubbing it on my hands. It's a nice consistency where it feels creamy and moisturizing, but you can tell there's something in it that gives it that slight hold. I don't know what it is, but oh well. Also, my hair is not soaking wet. When my hair was long, I used to do my wash and goes on soaking wet hair, but these days, ain't nobody doing that. You be having water like dripping down you and stuff. It's really, it's quite a lot to deal with, and more than I want to deal with. So yeah, so basically I just take my Texture ID styling cream and I run it through my hair, and then I just kind of scrunch into it. And I watched a couple of people's YouTube videos on how they do their hair, like how they do styled or short haircut. But honestly, when your hair is pretty short, like how mine is, it's hard to do anything to it that's going to get a definition, because you don't have like, you know, before where my hair was longer, so I would rake it or like smooth it or whatever the case may be. I got no hair. So yeah, there's that. So this is what my head is looking like. I literally took like 3 scoops of this, and I love this Texture ID styling cream so much because it kind of gives you hold, but it definitely keeps your hair moisturized. I've tried other styling creams where my hair it got some hold or some definition, but it's dry as hell. So yeah, look at my little curls. So now what I'm gonna do is part my hair and slick it. So I'm just gonna go in, I'm just gonna part my hair. I'm looking in the mirror above you guys, so if I go out of the frame, that's why. And this part up here, like at the root of my head, I'm gonna slick it, so really don't need to do a whole bunch. I think that looks about good. Sometimes I'll do like a deeper part, but I don't really think I feel like it right now. So now that I've parted my hair, I'm gonna go back into styling it, and I'm gonna use this Texture ID Mousse. I feel like growing up in the salons and stuff when I was younger, I will always see the stylists use foam or use mousse to help define like short styles. And I don't know, like something about the way mousse makes the curls pop, or can make the curls pop depending on which one you get, it's bomb. So yeah, I'll take this mousse and run it through my hair like this. And make sure that you find a mousse that's not gonna dry your hair out, because a lot of them will. And then I'm just gonna take my Denman brush and brush it. So like, and literally just brush the sections and then scrunch it back up like this. I focus mainly the mousse around like the front of my head, the part that you can see, and I focus on this side, but I'm gonna put some mousse in the back of my head as well. And this really just helps to like lock in the style. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the mousse and just kind of, get into it. And then yeah, so I'm literally just gonna basically Denman brush my whole head. And when my hair was longer, I used to do, you know, Denman brush from the ends and then work my way up to the roots. But my hair is short, so I can pull the brush through my hair. Without any problems. But if you feel like this brush is ripping your hair out, or if you feel like, you know, your hair is breaking or whatever the case may be, please be gentle. Go from the ends. Take your time. I'm just gonna take a little bit more mousse. I put a lot of mousse up in this part of my hair. But yeah, the way that I style my hair has to be completely different than the way that I did it before. So it's kind of like, I feel like I had to throw out everything I knew about, not everything, but a lot of the stuff about how I went about styling my curls. I had to approach it completely different. So this section right here, I have to brush it out because it won't really lay down the way I want it to. So I have to brush and scrunch and do like this. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of mousse in my head, but you know, that's what works for me. So So yeah, I literally just do that same thing all over. And I know this looks like a lot of product, but it will all disappear. It will really all disappear as my hair dries. So yeah, I just make sure to go in and make sure everything is defined and curly. And you can see like the foam on this side already started to evaporate. So then I'll just kind of take my finger. I'll look for random pieces that I feel like need some extra love, and I'll just take my finger and scrunch them up until it gets to my desired look. So then lastly, I'm gonna take my Eco Styler. This is the black one, firm hold of 8. I know some people love Eco Styler, some people hate it. Y'all, I don't know, it works for me. And I'm just gonna slick my edges and slick this side down. So what I usually do is I'll put some gel, and I start out with just a little bit so I can just mold my edges. And I will just start doing my baby hairs. From this point, now that my edges are laid and everything like that, I literally don't do anything else. At the very most, I might take a Denman brush and redefine this part with some more mousse, but I'm not too mad at this part of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but I do have a little bit of stragglies. I did cut the rest of the color off my hair. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put it up here for you guys to check out. But I definitely cut the rest of the color off, so my hair has a little bit of pieces that still have like a little bit of color at the end. And so I think that's what's giving me these little stragglies, if you can see them. I don't know, but so yeah, that's pretty much it. I just do my hair. Most of the time, honestly, I do my hair in the shower. But so now I'm gonna just let it dry, and I will come back and show you guys when it's dry in a couple of hours. I just want to zoom you guys in because as you can see, my hair is looking super cute, I think. The curls are popping, the edges laid. The definition is definitely there, so it looks good. So my hair is dry now. My hair is like, I would say probably 75 to 80% dry. It's not all the way dry, but this is really what it looks like when it's done. As you can see, my edges are laid, and the curls are really defined. And as you can see, me putting all that mousse in my hair, it disappeared and everything like that. It looks really, really good. It's really small because, like I said, it's still wet a little bit. I don't fluff my hair or anything like that now that my hair is short. I really just let my hair do whatever it want to do. So it's going to be like this, and then tomorrow it'll get a little bit bigger, and then the day after that it's going to look wild and frizzy and crazy, and I'm gonna have to wash it. But yeah, so that's really it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and supporting me. It means so much. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So again, if you guys have any requests for videos you want to see, please make sure to leave me a comment down below. I can definitely incorporate more hair videos for you guys. I stopped doing hair content for a while because I wasn't doing anything to my hair and it was damaged and I was over it. But you know, she's back. She's cute, she looks good. So if you guys want to see any more videos about my hair or anything in general, just let me know. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.